cold blast comes our way next week starting Tuesday morning. We could see a hard freeze on the North Shore Tuesday morning. It's going to be frigid and blustery all day. Very cold Wednesday. Wednesday morning is when we'll see that hard freeze across the entire area Wednesday morning. And Thursday morning, once again, there could be another chance to see a hard freeze on the North Shore, but we should get milder heading into Thursday afternoon and sort of warming up, I'd say, getting into the second half of next week compared to how cold we'll get starting Tuesday. But as for this weekend, it's going to be manageable chills in the mornings. Temperatures in the 40s now will reach the mid 50s this afternoon. We stay cool. We'll see a mix of sun and clouds. And tonight will be a bit chilly, especially north and west of the lake. That's where we'll see our low temperatures in the mid 30s tomorrow morning. So we can see some patchy frost there. And then on the South Shore and metro area, we'll see our low temperatures in the low 40s early Sunday. Sunday, another fantastic day to enjoy the weekend. Lots of sun tomorrow. Temperatures warming to near 60 degrees tomorrow afternoon. So it's not until the work week we have this big, massive Arctic plunge that's going to impact many across the nation. And we'll see our temperatures take a big dip starting Tuesday. So we're looking at 50s today, 60s Sunday and Monday, and then temperatures only topping out in the upper 30s for afternoon highs Tuesday and lower 40s Wednesday. Then we'll get back to the upper 50s by Thursday and Friday. Now, before the Arctic air kind of sends itself down into the deep south, we'll see some moisture out ahead of it, and it's going to be mild on Monday, so we do have a chance to see some rain showers during the day Monday, especially during the afternoon and throughout the early evening hours. This is 4 o'clock in the afternoon Monday, and then we get into the evening. That's when the winds turn from the north, the cold air sinks down, and there might be some remnant moisture heading into the early morning hours Tuesday. So for the North Shore, like northern Tangi, northern Washington Parish, we could see maybe a light wintry mix early Tuesday morning, maybe some freezing rain, maybe a mix of rain and some sleet early Tuesday. Just kind of keep that in mind. We'll be watching that closely. Not a huge concern, but if you are traveling, especially closer to the state line area Tuesday morning, just kind of take it easy on the roadways, drive carefully. There could be maybe some slick spots on bridges and overpasses. So we'll be watching that for the North Shore early Tuesday morning. Also, I just want to talk about how cold it's going to be. That's really the biggest concern. Tuesday morning temperatures in the upper 20s north of the lake, lower 30s on the North Shore. So that's maybe a hard freeze for our North Shore locations Tuesday morning. Wednesday morning, that's the big day where we have the hard freeze everywhere. Teens north, 20s south. So make sure you do what you can this weekend to protect those pipes ahead of Wednesday morning's hard freeze across the area. Thursday morning, another opportunity to maybe see a hard freeze on the North Shore. South Shore, we should get back above freezing Thursday morning, but still cold in the low to mid 30s. Also, look at these wind chills. Tuesday is going to be so cold outside. We'll see mostly cloudy skies. It'll feel like the 20s in the afternoon hours, maybe the low 30s on the South Shore. And then it will feel like the teens heading into Tuesday night and into early Wednesday morning. Feels like temperatures early Wednesday. Could even feel like the single digits in a few spots on the North Shore early Wednesday. So here's a recap of what to expect. Again, that hard freeze north and west Tuesday morning. There is that low chance for a wintry mix and maybe some slick spots on the North Shore Tuesday morning, really far to the north, almost like the state line area closer to Macomb, Mississippi. But still, North Shore spots. Just kind of take it easy on the roads. And that hard freeze looking at both sides of the lake Wednesday morning. Here's your 7-day forecast. Enjoy the weekend now. Make sure you have those cold weather preps in place before next week.